breaking news coming in. The anger against China, of course, is growing. Protests are erupting across the country. The chorus to boycott China and Chinese goods is only gathering steam. There were protests held at the Tibetan refugee camp. My colleague Sherin sent us this report earlier.
Well, these are the scenes at the Tibetan refugee camp in the national capital. These were, of course, the Chinese product that has, in fact, been broken by the Tibetan activists over here. They have been saying that they are, in fact, standing in solidarity with the Indian Army and India. And they, in fact, condemned the incident that happened on June 15th, where 15 of the 20, in fact, of the Indian soldiers lost their life. And that is why they are, in fact, boycotting all the Chinese product. In fact, let me speak to one of the protesters here. Clearly they are, in fact, very sad. कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप? Clearly, they are, in fact, very upset about the incident that happened, and that is why you can see they are, in fact, protesting over here, saying that they are, in fact, standing in solidarity. They have been saying that the incident where 20 of the Jawans lost their life is something that they cannot deal with. And clearly, you can see how they are, in fact, have accumulated all the Chinese products, and they are, in fact, breaking them. This is, in fact, the Chinese flag, which they are, in fact, planning to burn the flag over here. And this is, in fact, a symbolic protest through which they want to show that they are, in fact, standing in solidarity with Indian Army. Dramatic visuals at the Tibetan refugee camp, where you can see clearly all the Chinese products that they had, in fact, have been the Chinese flag has, in fact, been burning, and in fact they have boycotted all the Chinese products. क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं आप?
चीन से हमारा बेसिक मूवमेंट है, हम बाइकआउट करेंगे चीन का सब। ये है कि अंदर की हम बिजनेस सब डाउन करेंगे, हम बाइकआउट करेंगे सबसे मूवमेंट जितना चाइना बुंदे हमारे चाइना का सब प्रोडक्ट है बाइकआउट कर रहा है। टूथपेस्ट से सब छोटा से टूथपेस्ट आगे क्या क्या करेंगे। हम इंडियन आर्मी के स्टैंड अप कर रहे हैं।